Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a wireless Wi-Fi network manually in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. First of all, we open Control Panel. Once it's open, click on the Category button and then select Large icon. After that, click on Network and Sharing Center. Here, go to change your network settings and click on Set up a new connection or network. In this window, click on Manually connect to a wireless network and then click on Next. After that, here, first, you will add the network name, then select the security type, and then enter the security key, which means the password. And then check all these options. After that, click on Next. Here, click on Change Connection Settings, then click OK, and close these files. Then click on the Internet Access button. Here, you can see this is the network. I can add this by using a password, or sometimes there's no need for a password. So, that's the way to add a wireless Wi-Fi network manually in a Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.